These 5 AI tools will drastically improve your business and overall help you operate much more effectively and efficiently. So I'm really excited to share with you guys because these 5 AI tools will be game changer for all of us. These are the few craziest AI tools that you may have ever heard about. So let's kick things off with Fireflies.ai. Fireflies.ai is an AI-powered automation tool that helps you capture and share important information during the meetings. With Fireflies.ai, you can record, transcribe your meetings, and you can create actionable items. And you can also share notes with your team in real time. What Fireflies actually does is record your meetings, transcribes them, and then summarize your meetings for you. And it also lists the actionable items and the actionable steps you have to take, and if you forget something you can ask Fireflies.ai. This is really helpful because, for example, you are on a meeting and you say to your mate that I'm gonna send you the notes of the meeting, and then you go outside for a walk or just for eating food and then you forget it completely. So Fireflies.ai will remind you about it. And another cool thing about Fireflies.ai is it will plug into your CRM, your Trello board, or your Monday.com, and you can literally make commands and it will create tasks for you, which is nuts. So I highly recommend you guys check it out, and Fireflies.ai will basically replace the need of an assistant. Have you ever spent hours sifting through data and finding the information that you need? Ingest.ai uses AI-powered machine learning and natural language processing to help you find the data that you need within just few seconds. You can even set up custom alerts to notify you when an important trend or changes occur. So you can build AI tools remarkably fast with Ingest.ai.io. The tool also integrates with popular data sources like Salesforce, Google Analytics, and HubSpot, making it easy to import and analyze your data. So you can simply sign up on this website, and then here you can see you can add bots, your Slack bot, your Discord bot, and you can add your WhatsApp bot as well. So that is very useful for you if you are a business and struggling with finding the right data and right analytics. Then this tool is definitely worth checking. Tango is a very useful tool to create how-to guides and SOPs in seconds. And Tango empowers you and your team to create beautiful looking SOPs, including screenshots and description, automatically while you work. So I have just recorded some actionable steps. Tango AI tool has written everything for me. That it has written the steps that I have took. It has took the screenshots. It has write a description for me, and it has even highlighted the parts where I have clicked. Here you can see that. This is very useful because if you want to create how-to guide for your audience, for your team members, then this is very useful for you. You can check it out. The next one is a very popular tool that you have already heard about, Canva. Canva has just launched new AI features that are completely mind-blowing. We have already discussed about Canva in our previous videos, and now in this video we are looking at AI tools that Canva is providing. Canva is basically an AI graphic designing tool that make it easy for anyone to make visual graphics. Here you can see there are various different tools that Canva is offering: Magic Design, AI Magic Edit and Eraser, AI Magic Presentation, and Edit with BitSync, etc. So these AI tools are very useful for you. You can create animations, you can discover new templates, and you can also try out text to image AI tools, etc. So for example, you want to create a YouTube thumbnail. So let's create a thumbnail on Canva. So let's see, for example, I have this image here and I'll just click on edit photo, and then here you can see a few tools. For example, you can see magic eraser, magic remover, and you can see magic edit, etc. So for example, I want to close this mouth of myself, so I will just select two lips here, and then I will click on continue, and then you have to describe what do you want to generate. I will write generate closed mouth, and then it will generate the result for me. Here you can see it has given me 4 results, but as this AI tool is still in beta version, so it could not actually understand what I was saying. So instead of a closed mouth, it has given me a smile mouth. So that is pretty funny. Actually, you can check it out later on. And then there is a magic eraser, and you can use this tool to erase something from a photo. For example, if you have a image of yourself and then you also have one another front that is standing behind you or beside you, you would just brush your friend and it would remove your friend from the image. that is pretty nuts. Yeah, these are amazing tools that Canva is working on. And there is another AI tool of Canva that is so amazing. This one is text to image generator. So you would just write a prompt and it would generate the image for you. For example, I am writing here a panda driving a car, and then here you can select the style. You can select filmic style, dreamlike, photo, retro animation, watercolor, etc. And then you can select the aspect ratio, and then you can click on create your image, and now it is generating an image for us. So let's see what it generates us. So it has generated us 4 images. You can select whichever you like. These AI tools are not perfect yet. They are still in beta version. Canva is working out and trying to make it better and better. There is another AI tool of Canva that is magic presentation. So you would just use 5 or more words to describe your presentation. For example, I'm asking it to write 5 AI tools for productivity. And here you can see it has given me a few designs that I can choose from. I will choose my design and then I will click on create my presentation. And here you can see that Canva has designed a presentation for me. That is pretty cool. I just checked it out and this is amazing. Yeah, this one is so good. We can actually create presentations with just a click. And there are some AI tools available on Canva that are still in beta version, and I think I will make a separate video about Canva. Alright, the next tool in our list is 𝗙cie𝗹𝗹𝟑. 𝗙cie𝗹𝗹𝟑 is an AI-powered writing tool that helps you improve the quality of your writing. This tool analyzes your writing and provides you real-time suggestions for improvement. So you can write converting emails with 𝗙cie𝗹𝗹𝟑 10x faster and use AI to generate powerful copy for hundreds of different email marketing campaigns, newsletters, and much more. So you can write any email campaign in just a few seconds. Here on this website, you can track your competitors' email strategy. You can increase open rates with spam checker, and you can actually do way more than just email. And 𝗙cie𝗹𝗹𝟑 can also be used for other writing tasks. For example, you can use this for social media post writing, and you can use it for writing your blogs, etc., which is pretty nice. So the next one in our list is Notion AI. We sent an email to Notion to ask them to sponsor this video, but they say no, you don't have enough subscribers, you are no use of us. They say use our affiliate program. I say no, I already have a variety of affiliate programs. I'm not signing up new one. So Notion is a productivity tool that I love using, and I use it to manage my daily tasks, etc. Sometimes I forget it, but most of the times I use this tool. So Notion AI productivity tool helps you organize your work and streamlining your workflow. This tool provides a range of features including task management, note taking, and project management, etc. All powered by machine learning algorithms. So Notion AI summarizes what's important and actionable. No need to jump back and forth, and you don't need a separate AI app for this. So you would just go to Notion AI, and then you can ask it to summarize your notes, and it would summarize your notes and make a table for you. And you can also improve your writing with Notion AI. You can fix spelling and grammar mistake. You can translate your writing into Japanese, Spanish, and German, etc. You can edit your voice and tone, etc. with Notion AI. So you can use Notion AI to help you find and organize information more quickly, making it easy to stay on the top of your work. With Notion AI, you can customize your workspace to fit your specific needs, making it an incredible flexible tool for any professional. So that's it. It's definitely worth checking out, and let me know in the comments which one you like the most. So these were the AI tools that were giving me some unfair advantages. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have come this far, then here you can check out the fall of short form content. That's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Thanks. See you in the next one. Bye bye.